Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this really cute snowman card. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. And this is the one we made at my club meeting for August, and it's so cute. We're using the Pool Party and the Mint Macaron cardstock with the basic black, and then I went ahead and made this purple one using the Grogeous Grape and then the Highland Heather. Aren't they both so cute? And then of course the black was the layer for this one, and then I used the Dazzling Diamonds, the glimmer paper for this one. So pretty, but we're going to make this one today. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be using the Spirited Snowman. We're going to use this one and this cute little snowman for the inside. And then this little stamp that says, "Your friendship warms my heart." Let me show you the inside of this card actually. So here's the front, and then here's the inside. Isn't it cute? He looks like he's saying, ta-da! All right, so let me give you all the measurements. Okay, so let's start with the base. I'm using the Pool Party. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then you're going to need a piece of basic black, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This is going to be for layering your little pieces for your mosaic background. And then your Whisper White piece to stamp your snowman. This is cut at 3 by 3. And then your basic black piece is cut at 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Then, of course, this is a piece of Whisper White cut at 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside. So we want to stamp the little snowman on that one. And then here are the pieces for the background. The Pool Party, this one is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then this smaller piece is cut at 1 1/2 by 1 3/4. Then the Mint Macaron, this piece is cut at 1 1/2. Let me move them over here. So this piece is cut at 1 1/2 by 3 1/4, and then this one is cut at 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. Okay. All right. So first we're going to go ahead and build our background, which looks like a mosaic. You know how you put little pieces together. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and build our bottom section first. I'm going to put this right here. And then our Pool Party piece. I'm going to use the Mint Macaron. This one's going to go right above that one. And then your Pool Party sits right in here. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so this card is going to be made different than the other ones. So you'll see this one is going vertical. So what's nice with this card design is that it can go either way. So vertical or horizontal. So I'm going to make this one horizontal so you can see the difference, okay? Just like the purple one. This one is the horizontal one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this onto the Pool Party base. I very rarely put the card together first. I usually do all the stamping and die cutting, but okay, so there's the front of the card. Now we're going to go ahead and do some stamping. So we're going to use the Memento ink, and I'm going to stamp the snowman on this 3 by 3 piece. Okay, so I stamped him over to the right a little bit so I can put the greeting on the side. And we're going to stamp the littler snowman on the inside. So cute. All right, so let me show you the Stampin' Blends that I'm going to be using to color in my snowmen today. So we're using the Pumpkin Pie in the light, and then we're using the Mint Macaron dark, and then we're also using the Pool Party in the light and the dark, which you can get these in a combo or individually now. And then also we're using the light crumb cake. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and take the Mint Macaron dark, and I'm just going to color in my snowman. Okay, then the Pumpkin Pie light for his carrot nose. Then we're going to color in his stick arms and legs with the crumb cake light. Okay, the one more thing that I did to the front layer, which is this layer right here, is I took the light Pool Party and I just colored a light border around the snowman to make him pop out and give it a background. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is one of the benefits of the alcohol markers, which are the Stampin' Blends. You can color the background and there will not be any lines shown with the alcohol-based markers. So it'll be smooth coloring. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and put the rest of the card together. Okay, so after I put the adhesive on this back, I stamped the inside snowman going vertical instead of the horizontal piece. So I just redid another piece for the correct card, and I'll save this for another one. So let me go ahead and put the adhesive on the back of this one. Okay, so for the greeting, I went ahead and stamped it already because there's no way that I could stamp this on camera without putting my head in the camera. So all you need is a piece of Whisper White cut at a 1/2 inch wide. And this will fit this greeting. And this is the one that I did ahead of time. So I'm going to show you what I did for the rest of the card, for the rest of the greeting part. So I took my scissors and I'm just going to pennant the end. Like that, and then we're just going to layer this onto a piece of basic black. Of course, you can take your remember, you can take your color piece of cardstock when you're stamping, so lay that on top of that, and then you can line this greeting up a lot better, especially if you're stamping on our grid paper. So just put a piece of colored, cardstock behind that, and you can line it up a lot easier. Okay, so we're just going to layer this, and then we're just going to hand cut that out. Okay, so there's our greeting. All right, now we're going to pop these up on Dimensionals. Okay, so when I'm popping this greeting up, you'll see here in a minute, I'm just going to put one dimensional on the back side of your left side. It'll make sense here in a second. I think this piece is actually too big. Let me cut it down. And then I'm going to put adhesive on this section right here. So let's pop up our snowman first. Put that right about there. And then we're going to take our greeting. So remember, this is the side with the dimensional because the snowman is popped up already. So we want to kind of bring it up that it's flush with that snowman. So I'm going to put the dimensional off of the piece of the snowman, and then the snail part will stick onto the front. Just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, now one more thing. We're going to add some Wink of Stella. We're going to cover the snowman on the front and the inside. Got to add a little bit of shimmer. And then we're also going to add a rhinestone to his hat, his little pom-pom at the end of his hat. Hopefully you can pick up that shimmer in the camera. It's so pretty. All right, now let's go ahead and add a rhinestone. I'm going to add one to the front and one to the inside. Pom-pom, one right there, and then one right here. so cute. Okay, so there's the horizontal version. Let's bring in the vertical one again. So it's the exact same card, but isn't it cute? Both ways are so cute. And then here's the Grogeous Grape and the Highland Heather version with the glimmer paper. So cute. So I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.